it's just pure risk management. So I was testing it out on the Dow Jones before I try to go back and show you the trading strategy I'm using. It's just a trading strategy that basically applies following the just risk management. Okay, so it's no strategy. In theory, the trend lines and just the supports and resistances are going to just help you out with just with the risk management. So I'll show you how I manage the risk. Okay, so let's go in trading view. I will make this super tiny, and I will go back for a lot of times. Like I will go back a lot, like extremely. I will go back down. I don't know what day it is. So yeah, it's like 19th of April. I will go back. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay, so we start back testing for a bunch of minutes from here, and I'll show you the way my brain actually acts upon it. So take into account that when it's night, so you can see it's night, 3 a.m. The market doesn't move at all. So I'll just try to I have a stop loss that basically is a visual stop loss. So I will get out of the market when I think I have to get out. If the trade bounces back to the original position, I will just close the trade. Like for example, here I'm gonna buy because I think it's a good situation to buy. I see a massive spike, and when I see the spikes in the Dow Jones, I just want it to go straight to the point. If it doesn't, I probably close the trade immediately, and as soon as I enter the trade, I want to take off the trade. And now I buy. I add up to maximum of 3 positions, and that's just all I do. Okay, so I just add up to 3 positions. That's all I do with when the trade is going fine. If it starts winding back on me, I'll get out. So let's see what it does. I want to see big spikes, big moves. So I buy 3 position. I just let it go. This is on the 17th of April. It's trading at 5 a.m. Dow Jones futures. So yeah, it's not going anywhere. When it comes back down to me like that, I want to get out. Then I just give it a little bit more wiggle room. And when it does something like this, I just give it one chance to see what it does. And if it doesn't start, I will probably call myself out, like here. Okay? So let's see what I can do. Let's see if I can make a profit. This guy. I just trade on intuition. When I see a massive spike, I get into it. So when I see liquidity, I get into it. It's pretty easy. That would be a trend line break or a support or resistance levels break. It's pretty obvious to understand that. Okay, so as soon as I see this, I get in. I would have gotten in at the level where it is now, because this is just a replay. And if it doesn't start and it starts to winding back on me, I'll get out. I'll sell again here because I see it winding down. I see it trembling down, so I like it. So I've put all my positions in it, and I'm just following the trend. If it trembles down, I'll let it go down as far as it's possible. And I don't care if those people say you don't want to look at the money you're making. I definitely want to look at the dollars I'm making with it. I still want to look at the profits I'm making with it. I give it a little bit more room, and then I get out because I don't feel like this one is a good one. Okay, so yeah, let's see what it does. Don't see massive candles. This one is a massive candle, so I'll get in pretty easy. Like my stop loss is just as soon as I want to get out. My feelings say that I have to get out, and obviously I don't give it a lot of wiggle room. I just want to get out as soon as possible when I get into a trade. Like for example, this trade is not convincing me at all, so I see it skyrocketing now. I buy for it and I hope for it to go up. If it don't, I close it. One more room, and yeah, just one more room. It goes, I buy more. Let's see what it does. take into account the idea of my strategy is just to manage the risk and just nothing else. The rest is just plain bullshit. I watch the price and I manage the risk. That's it. And it seemed to work in the back testing. It seems to work. I mean, it worked for back testing months and months. It's all about managing the risk and accepting the fact that you're gonna lose more than you're gonna win, because I will have so many small losses. Now we're taking a winning streak here. So yeah, I would have probably gone short with that red candle over there, so I'll try to short it. I have a good feeling on shorting it, and seems like it's going nowhere. Okay, it doesn't go anywhere. I close the trade. That's all my feeling. And I always do this on my phone when I trade outside, at least for the challenge I'm actually having. And yeah, it's pretty easy. When I see that spike over there, I want to go long. I see it winding up, so I buy a little more, and if it don't start, I'll get out, like immediately. Like this one is a shitty trade, definitely a shitty trade. You see how I lose a lot of times? Like you will see me losing lots of times, like so many times. I could have gotten in with that red candle, could have given it a chance, but it's not good. I'll try to short this one right here. I have a good feeling. If it starts rumbling down, I'll add to it. Otherwise, yeah, I'll add to it. And now I'm losing more. I'm looking to switch the position with that big old candle. Same thing here, big old candle. I'll switch positions back. I repeat, I only add to winning positions. I don't add to losing trades, because the losing trades are just gonna go to drawdown. At least that's my rule. It would be pretty rare for you to see me. See how I'm drawing down, because I've tried to chase the trend. I'm drawing down now. I'm going into drawdown. Now here I head to it because I see it trembling up, going up. And I had more. And I just follow the candles, those green candles. So now it comes back, and I definitely don't like it. I'll go short. You see how I'm down like 400 euros now? I just went up, then I went down. That's the way the strategy works. You trade a lot, and it just sometimes it doesn't work. But when you get the trend, you make a lot of money. So the idea is just to make a lot of money when you catch the trend. It's pretty easy. You want to make it add to those winning good old trades. Yeah. This one is a shitty one. I'll close it. And the idea of going short still urges me, since I see that massive red candle. I had a little position here. I see it trembling down, so I had more, and I just get back into it. The idea is to being able to always change your mind. Like basically, you always want to change your mind. You always want to be on the verge of, oh yeah, this is a bullshit trade. Like always, that's the gist of it. Just know you're gonna lose more than you're gonna win. So many times you're gonna lose. Shitty trade. I don't like it. Now you can barely see the candles with the bars, because these fucking things, I don't know how to take those out from the mobile version of it. Short here. It comes back up like that. I don't like it that amount. As far as I've practiced, what I've understood is that basically the trades I take, when they come back up, back down, they come back into my face, on average they suck balls, so it's better to close them out. Like literally the idea of my strategy is that the market can do whatever the fuck it wants to do, whenever the fuck it wants to do it, and you don't even know jack shit. Like he could do it at 4 a.m, 5 a.m. Obviously there's trading hours that work best, but overall it's just bullshit. Like you don't know it. The liquidity could come in at any time. Okay, so this is for it. I think it's 9 p.m. Market is about to close and closing it. Yeah, I made $400 in back testing. Am I shorting this? I think of shorting this. A short. Seems to be working. And it's not working at all. It's working on the upside. So I go up, long more, and I buy more. And he comes back into my face and makes me lose over $150. I short more. It seems to work. I don't know. It seems to work more, so I short more. It seems to work. It works. I short more. And comes back into my face. Such a shit. I give it a little bit more wiggle room. And it's just not working. Okay, so this is 9:30 p.m. and I've made $170 in what day it is. We started over here 17th of April and ended at 17th. This is 1 day of trading. You can see there's massive swings even with no strategy. It's just about the back testing and the risk management. Okay, so I'll see you in the next videos. Today is day 27 of my trading challenge, where I back tested this morning and it didn't go very well. I actually made zero in a whole month. Like I've lost everything in a whole month because my risk management sucks on back testing. Sometimes I tilt out, but now it seems to work a little bit more better. So I'll see you tomorrow.